In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Judge.me review request emails. If you want a quick, professional way to match your review emails to your brand without designing from scratch. Judge.me's smart styling editor is your best friend. It's a built-in template system that lets you tweak the important parts fast, so you can send on-brand requests that get more responses. Start by opening your Judge.me dashboard and head to Settings, then Email Templates. Here, you'll find the section for review request and reminder emails. Look for a smart template and click Edit. This opens the editor where all the customization happens. Next, choose whether you're working on the initial request or the reminder email. The initial request is the first message your customer receives after a purchase asking for feedback. The reminder is a polite nudge that follows if they haven't responded. Keeping these aligned in tone and design helps your brand feel consistent, but you can tweak the wording slightly to reflect where the customer is in the journey. Now let's tailor the content. Start with the review trigger, which controls how customers leave a review directly from the email. You can choose stars, a button, or a full form embedded in the email. Stars are quick and inviting, especially on mobile. A button is clean and drives people to your store's review page. The full form is convenient for in-email submissions, but keep in mind the simpler the path, the more likely people are to complete it. Then, adjust the tone of voice. You can select direct, friendly, elegant, or set a custom tone. Direct is concise and to the point. Friendly adds warmth and approachability. Elegant feels refined and brand forward. Custom lets you dial in your brand's exact personality. Whichever you choose, aim for clarity, gratitude, and a clear call to action. Add helpful text under the stars if you're using them. A short line like, "Tap a star to rate your purchase," guides customers and reduces confusion. Keep it simple and encouraging. If your plan includes it, you can also edit the subject line, email title, and body content. Write a subject line that's short, clear, and recognizable. Mention your brand name and the product and keep it conversational. In the email title and content, thank the customer, set expectations for how long the review takes, and make the next step obvious. When you're happy with your changes, click Save. That's it. You've customized a smart template that's aligned with your brand and optimized for responses.